Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another gameplay video. Today some friends and I are playing in a couple quick private games over at Capture the Flag. For this one, it's a 1v3 tower defense style game where I'll be the lucky chump defending the objective alone with my trusty SSG10. There's a flag sitting at objective A, and all I have to do is make sure that my dad and friends cannot get it back to their base. With unlimited respawns and a 10-minute time limit, let's hop right in. So their first plan of attack is to spread out, pincer me in, while Matt runs for the flag. So we'll definitely have to balance keeping an eye on Matt and my dad on my right and left flanks, and keeping my head down as Tyler peppers me from the tower. With this game being at the end of the day, my pistol was almost out of gas, so this was definitely a lucky hit on Matt. Another shot to the left cheek. Sorry, Ty. Good try there, bud.
Damn it. That is my pistol! Okay, done.
Another rush, and unfortunately Matt makes a pass this time. With my shot just missing him, the attackers take the flag and the game. Thanks so much for checking out this quickie match. If you're interested in more, definitely go check out my channel for some of my other gameplays. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.